Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to autosave IndiaMart inquiries to Google Sheets for machinery dealers. So let's suppose I'm a machinery dealer and I'm receiving many inquiries on my IndiaMart. I was manually adding all the details and this was consuming a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process. And to do this automation, I've used Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMart and Google Sheets. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I am going to receive a new lead in my IndiaMart, the details will be automatically added to my Google Sheets. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to auto-save IndiaMart leads and inquiries for machinery dealers in Google Sheets automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I am going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this Create Workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as Autosave IndiaMart inquiries to Google Sheets for machinery dealers, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created and here I am going to select it as IndiaMart automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to auto-save IndiaMart inquiries to Google Sheets, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry in IndiaMart, that will be automatically saved to my Google Sheets, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in IndiaMart, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to receive the new lead in IndiaMart and then action says do this, then add that lead to my Google Sheets. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking IndiaMart and then in my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets. So here in my trigger application, let's quickly take IndiaMart. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMart for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMart with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I'm going to build this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my IndiaMart account. So this is the app dashboard of IndiaMart. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on this lead manager and from here I have to go towards the three dots. From where I have to click on this import export leads and then click on this push API. I've landed towards this push API integration from where I have to first select the source, which I'm going to select it as other, and then I have to enter my CRM platform name, which is Pabbly Connect, and then I have to enter the webhook listener URL. So here this is the same webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that over here, and then I simply need to click on this save details. Now I need to select the reason that why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMart. So I'm going to select it from drop down. I'm going to simply select it as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage the performance. You can select according to your choice and preference. After that you do that, you simply need to click on this click to generate OTP. So here I have received the OTP on my number which I am going to enter. After entering the OTP, I simply need to click on this submit. Here I have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect. And now if I go back to Pabbly Connect, you can see this waiting for the webhook response. And under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission.
so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I am going to open my India Mart account which I have created in incognito mode, and I am going to send a query or a lead to this business. As when I send this, I should receive the response in this workflow, and this will show us the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and India Mart that is successful. I am quickly going to open my account. So here I have opened my account. You can see my name is this, phone number is this, email address is latest@pablitudes.com, address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, India, company name is Latest Company. And now I'm going to search for my business, which is this one. After searching for my business, I simply need to click on contact supplier, and over here in this box, I need to enter my query. So here I have entered my query looking for a quotation for industrial grade packaging machines with delivery timeline and pricing details. I'm simply going to click on this next, and as this field is not a required one, I'll skip this and then click on this submit. Here I have successfully submitted my query to my own business, and now if I open my Pabbly Connect workflow, I should receive the response. So let me quickly open my workflow. And here I have received the response. You can see that I have received the response. The status is success. I received the unique query ID, and then I have received the subject as requirement for Pabbly Connect free demo available. The sender status Madhya Pradesh. The name was this. Then I have received the phone number. The email address was latest@pablitudes.com. Country was this. Company was Latest Company. City was Bhopal. State was Madhya Pradesh. And then the product name was Pabbly Connect free demo available, and the query message was this. I'm interested in Pabbly Connect free demo available. I have sent some other query, but I have received this response because I am running a test account, and I have sent the queries multiple times from that account. If you will be running a live account, you will receive the exact same query. So here I have received this test query, and I have received all the details, and now I want to add these details to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. But before that, as we have received these details, we can see the connection setup that we have created between Pabbly Connect and India Mart that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new query, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, as I want to add that to my Google Sheets, I'm going to click on this Add Action Step button, and then in my action application, I will be searching for Google Sheets, and then in my action event, I'll select it as Add New Row and then click on Connect. If you have an existing connection, go with Save. If you don't have one, click on this Add New Connection, then click on the Sign In with Google. Choose your account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets, and after doing that, simply click on this Allow, and Google Sheets will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So here I have to first select my spreadsheet, and the name of my spreadsheet is this, India Mart Inquiries. I have selected that. Next, I need to enter these details. You can see all the fields which I have in the spreadsheet are here. And now I'm going to enter the details from the response which I have received in my India Mart. I am not going to enter these details manually. Instead, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter the detail from the previous response. When I click on this name field, I can see this India Mart. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. Here I first need to enter the name, and the name is this. Then I have received the phone number, and then I have received the email address, which was this one. And then the product was this one, Pabbly Connect free demo available, and then the query was this. I'm interested in Pabbly Connect. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even if you have received a new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. I have entered all these details, and now I'm simply going to click on the Save and Send Test Request. Let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. This response is a positive one. Let me quickly open my Google Sheet spreadsheet. And here we have received the response. The name was this. Then we have the phone number. Email address was latest@pablitudes.com. Product was Pabbly Connect free demo available, and this was the query. Now to summarize, We took IndiaMart as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the lead and the inquiry in my workflow, and then we wanted to add that to Google Sheet. So we took my action application as Google Sheet and then entered all the details with the help of mapping. So here we have successfully created automation between IndiaMart and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.